When it comes to feeding small stock, you are always working between two things, grazing and supplementation. And the mistake most farmers make is they lean too far to one side. Some farmers rely only on grazing and their animals underperform. Others rely too much on feed and their costs kill their profit. Both are wrong. The goal is not to choose one, the goal is to choose both correctly. Let's start with grazing. Grazing should be your foundation, because this is your cheapest feed source. If your grazing is managed properly, it carries a big part of your operation, and that's where profitability starts. But here's the reality. Grazing is never consistent. It changes with rainfall, season, camp condition, stocking pressure. So if you just rely on grazing without adjusting anything, your results will always be inconsistent. And this is where many farmers get caught. They think the animals are grazing, so they must be fine. But that's not how it works. Animals can fill their stomachs on poor quality grazing and still lose condition. So again, don't look at veld. Look at the animals. Are they holding condition? Are they improving? Or are they going backwards? Now let's talk about supplementation. Supplementation is not there to replace grazing. It's there to correct a gap.